Hello, this is high-performance electric motorcycle come with top-tier specs. Let's dive into all powerful configuration today. Equipped with a 15 kilowatt mid-chain water-cooled motor, the water cooling system guarantees stable performance during long-time high-speed operation, delivering sharp throttle response compared to gas-powered sport bikes. It adopts premium brake calipers on the front wheel for precise, stable braking. The signature single swing arm pairs with a wider rear tire brings stunning looks and outstanding road grip. The original factory TFT 4-color dashboard displays all data clearly at a glance, making your riding control easier than ever. Perfectly balanced in appearance, power, braking, and chassis performance, this electric bike is your ideal ride.